Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we confidently call the best Pledge wood polish available, the Pledge Polish and Shine Multi-Purpose Cleaner in the lemon scent, 14.2 ounces, sold in a pack of 6. This product is a trusted favorite for maintaining wood furniture, and today we'll tell you exactly why. Let's start with the basics. This cleaner comes in a bright, cheerful lemon scent that immediately gives your home a fresh, clean atmosphere. Each can is 14.2 fluid ounces, and this specific listing includes a total of 6 cans per carton, giving you a solid supply for multiple cleaning sessions across your home or office space. Now, you might wonder, what makes this specific Pledge product stand out among the crowd of household wood polishes? It's all about its versatility and shine. While it's designed for wood surfaces like cabinets and furniture, its formulation makes it safe and effective on a variety of sealed surfaces too. You're not just limited to wood. If you're looking to keep your surfaces dust-free and glossy without residue or buildup, this can handle the job. The product comes in aerosol form, which makes application quick, smooth, and even. Just shake the can, spray directly onto the surface, and wipe clean with a cloth. It cuts through dust, fingerprints, and grime with minimal effort. That's exactly what you want when you're midweek and just need to freshen up the living room or give your workspace a professional polish. Another thing worth noting is the convenience of the 6-pack carton. If you're a professional cleaner, manage a large space, or simply like to stock up, this is a practical buy. Each can is lightweight, easy to store, and ready when you need it. Physically, the dimensions of the box are approximately 10.4 by 8.2 by 5.5 inches, and the full package weighs around 7.5 pounds. So, it's compact enough to store under a sink or on a shelf in your utility closet. Let's talk about performance. This polish gives your furniture a rich, natural-looking shine that doesn't look overly glossy or artificial. Plus, the fresh lemon scent lingers in a subtle way, not overpowering, but definitely refreshing. Whether you're sprucing up your dining table before guests arrive or just maintaining the finish on antique furniture, it delivers consistent results. Do note that this particular listing currently cannot be shipped to India, so if you're watching from there, you'll want to check with local retailers or Amazon's international listings to see if there's an available option in your area. The product first became available in June 2018, and while it's not a brand new release, that's actually a good sign. It's been on the market long enough to prove itself reliable and trustworthy, a staple in the cleaning supplies category. It ranks decently in its category too, landing within the top 400 for wood polish products on Amazon. In terms of safety, remember that this is not a dietary or skincare product. There's a standard legal disclaimer noting that its ingredients haven't been evaluated by the FDA because it's not meant for ingestion or treating any health condition. So, keep it out of reach of children and use it only for its intended purpose. Before we wrap up, if you're interested in maintaining that polished, high-end look across your wood surfaces with minimal effort, this Pledge Polish and Shine Cleaner is one of the best options out there. It's a no-fuss, dependable solution that lives up to its promise of making your surfaces look better, and smell better, in just seconds. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more hands-on product insights. Let us know in the comments if you've used this polish or if you have another go-to wood care solution. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.